Today we're going to talk about metals and nonmetals. We're going to compare between metals and nonmetals in case of physical properties and their chemical properties. So let's start now. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Like what? Good conductors of heat like aluminium, stainless steel. These are very good conductors of heat. While metals that are good conductors of electricity like copper. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Okay. Let's start with the second point. Metals are malleable, and that is they can be beaten into sheets. So this means that we can change their shape. Okay, we can beat them and make sheets. Okay, malleable. They are flexible. Okay, we can do them. We can shape them. While non-metals are not malleable, like carbon is not malleable. Okay, so metals that are ductile, that is they can be drawn into wires. Ductiles mean that we can make wires out of metals, for example copper wire. Okay, and non-metals are non-ductile. They cannot be made into wires or drawn into wires. Metals are sonorous. Non-metals are not sonorous. Metals have high tensile strength due to high attraction between the molecules. So high tensile strength, that means due to the this means it has high attraction between the molecules. There's a good high attraction force between the molecules. So this means it has high tensile strength, can withstand a lot of strength. Non-metals have low tensile strength due to the low forces of attraction between the molecules. Okay, so this means it can easily break, while that in metals it's hard to break. Okay, metals have high density, while non-metals have low density. Metals have high melting point and boiling point. This means that when they are heated, they have to be heated at very high temperature. Okay, while non-metals have low melting point and boiling point. This means they are heated at lower temperatures. Metals combine with oxygen to form basic oxide. For example, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide. These are metal oxides. We call them metal oxides, basic. And while non-metals combine with oxygen to form acidic oxide, like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon dioxide. All these are non-metals. When they combine with oxygen, they form acidic oxide. So we call them when they combine with oxygen, they form acidic oxide. This means that later on they combine with water to form acids, while metals combine with oxygen to form basic oxides, which form hydroxides. When they combine with water, they form hydroxides. So we call it they are basic. This is because of the hydroxide. Okay. So let's see this picture here. So this is a comparison between the physical properties of metals and the physical properties of nonmetals. So the metals are lustrous, good conductors, of course, of heat and electricity, as we said before. They have a high melting point. Okay, you have to heat them at a very high temperatures to melt, and high density, like a high melting point, like gold, also is a metal. Okay, high density. They have very high density, malleable. We can change them, spread them into sheets, and here ductile. They can be drawn into wires. They usually are solids at room temperature. So metals are solids. They are opaque as a thin sheet. Sonorous. They are sonorous. So non-metals are dull, poor conductors. So dull means they are not shiny. poor conductors of heat and electricity, non-ductile, okay, brittle, they can be broken very easily, maybe solids, liquids, or gases at room temperature. Transparent, they are transparent as a thin sheet and not sonorous. Okay, so see you later for another video. Okay, bye for now.